In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add booking to Squarespace. We'll set up a new service in Squarespace scheduling and then embed your booking calendar right onto a page so visitors can book without leaving your site. Start in your site's dashboard and open scheduling. This takes you into Squarespace scheduling, also known as acuity. From here, head to appointment types. This is where you define what people can book. Create a new type of service, and you'll see a form for all the key details. Enter a clear, descriptive name. Think about how a visitor will scan your list and immediately understand what they're choosing. Then add a concise description that sets expectations, what's included, who it's for, and anything a client should prepare. This not only reduces questions, but also boosts confidence at checkout. Next, set the duration is in minutes. Choose the actual time you spend with a client. You can always adjust this later if you find the timing needs to change. Then, enter the price. If you offer the service for free or only need to collect information, you can set the price to $0. Otherwise, use the exact amount you intend to charge so the scheduler reflects it accurately. Add an image to make the service more engaging. A simple branded graphic or a relevant photo helps the booking page look polished and professional. When everything looks good, click Create to save the new service. With your service created, open the direct scheduling link to preview how clients will see it. It's a quick way to confirm the details read well and the duration and price appear correctly. Then choose Embed Scheduler. This generates the code tools you'll place on your site. Click Copy to add that embed code to your clipboard. Return to your website editor and go to the page where you want booking to live. Add a new block and select Embed. Once the block is on the page, click the pencil icon to edit it. Choose the option for a code snippet, then open the Embed data field. Paste the code you copied from scheduling into that field. You should see a preview of the booking widget appear in the editor. If it doesn't load right away, give it a second or refresh the preview. The code will still be there. That's it. You've created a bookable service in Squarespace scheduling and embedded the live scheduler on your page, giving visitors a seamless way to reserve time with you.